What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review and demo of the Hydrus robotic pool cleaner. In this review, I am going to tell you everything you need to know about this device, including one thing you should know before buying. All right, so first off, let me say I absolutely love this robotic pool cleaner right here. The reason is because if you have used the traditional pool cleaners, you have to go and attach the hose to it. The hose gets all kinked up. It turns the vacuum over. It's super annoying. This one has this instead. So there is no need to hook up the hose, and it basically just traps all of the debris in here. And I've used a number of these. This is a really big area for the debris. It'll hold a lot of debris, which is definitely a good thing. But yeah, there's like an inlet, an outlet right here, outlet port right here, and an inlet port right here for the water, and then the charging port here. And then this is obviously the power button, but pretty easy to use. I mean, really, you just, you put this in, you get it all set up, you turn it on, drop it in the pool, and then it does the job. So let's go ahead and show you that here. So before we throw this into the water, one thing I do want to mention too that's really cool. When this starts running on low battery, what it does is it'll basically go close to a wall and kind of auto park itself next to a wall. So if it's just sitting in a corner and you're like, why isn't this thing working after it's been in the pool for a little while? Basically, it just means, hey, you got to take it out and make sure that you charge it. All right, guys, so we're outside now. So we have this. I do want to mention that they give you this little tow rope. So basically what this is you tie it to the back here. And it makes it so that this will stay afloat, so that if at any point you got to grab the robot, obviously you don't have to go into the pool to get it. You basically have this, which floats, and then you can just grab it wherever you need. But this is the pool. Now the issue, so I'm going to show you this. You can kind of see down here, you see how there's some dirt streaks on the bottom? This should clean it up. But we actually ran this thing, I think it was about 3 days ago. So it's actually pretty clean right now overall. There's not a ton of debris on the bottom of the pool, just because this thing does a really good job. I mean, it really does. So what I'm going to do though, is I'm definitely going to show you all of the, right now with it stuck on the bottom there, to try to get rid of some of this dirt that you can see kind of placed in random places. All right, so it's pretty simple. We attach the tow rope, like I said. Now we'll turn it on. You're gonna see these lights turn on right here. There we go. You see those 3 lights? That basically means it's fully charged. And then we drop it in and give it a little bit of push in the beginning to kind of fill up with water. There we go. It's doing what it needs to do. Going to the bottom. And it'll start in a second here. It takes about 20 seconds to start. All right, guys, check this out. So you see this huge area right here. See how it is compared to everything else in the pool? See how it's dark in the bottom except right here? That's because this robot just decided it was going to clean that, and it did an amazing job. And this is dust, so this is the smallest particles that you're gonna get, and it does a really, really great job of making sure that it cleans up. And it's very thorough too. It takes its time to do so, but it really does a great job in doing so. You can see it kind of moving along here. So yeah, definitely like it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let it run here a little bit longer. Just in terms of runtime, you're looking at about 110 minutes, almost 2 hours, basically, to let this thing run. And our pool needs that because we have a rather big pool. But I do want to show you just how fine the particles it'll get. So it'll actually get, you see those basically little pieces of sand, that was kind of the dirt that you saw earlier. That's what this thing is able to do with its suction. It's able to grab the things that are really, really, really small and pull them into the suction, which is actually pretty awesome, not all that common. Now, in terms of what to know about this, 2 things, and it really comes down to charging, etc. So first off, when you charge this, you want to make sure that this right here is basically clean. Usually, if you're going to charge it right after you use it, like right now, if I was going to charge it, which I don't, I'll let it dry out a little bit. You would grab a Q-tip to clean that up before you do it, because obviously you're plugging something electrical in there, so you want to be careful of that. And then the second thing to note is that you don't want to leave this in the water too long, or just leave it outside when it's not in use. Basically, it's recommended use it when you need it, place it in the pool, use it as needed. And then when you're done with it, take it and bring it inside and charge it inside as well. And just kind of leave it inside to make sure you don't get it destroyed. Because we do have to remember that under the bottom here, they do have a battery. And those batteries can obviously get damaged if they're left in extreme heat, which we have here. But otherwise, guys, if you're considering it, not really sure, as I just showed you, I mean, it does a really good job. Everything that you'd want out of one of these. So definitely do recommend it if you're considering it, and hope that you enjoy.